Alright, so today I'm going to be installing the carpet that I didn't install in the last video. Like I said before, ran out of time, but I got the carpet here. I'll take it out and show you guys, but I got it off this website called Auto Custom Carpeting. I don't know, I just found it online in OEM carpet place for any type of vehicle, I think, but I got it from mine. But I'll take it out right now and I'll show you guys how the color looks. Just a charcoal black, something simple just to keep it clean, nothing crazy. But yeah, let's see if I can take it out. Like, here's the color, you can kind of see it. It's charcoal black. But yeah, but I'm gonna take the seats off the truck right now. I'm gonna take the seats off the truck, 4 bolts, 12mm, and I'll see what I'm gonna do with the shifter, because this thing didn't come with the hole cut out for the shifter, so I'm gonna have to cut a hole and figure out how it's gonna look and stuff. But yeah, let me get everything started and take the seats out, and then once I get the seats out, I'll show you guys how this carpet lays out. Alright, so I took the old carpet off already. I just took the seats out and took the old carpet off. I'm letting the other carpet, which is over there on the ground, I'm letting the sun heat it up, so it's kind of like the wrinkles go away and gives it a little bit, so it fits a little better, like the shape and stuff, so it won't be all wrinkled. But this is the old carpet I took off, the one that was inside, but it's kind of dirty right now. But I'm gonna just vacuum it real quick and then install the other one, take the shift boot off and all that stuff, take it off and make it look clean again. But yeah, there's that one, and then here's the other carpet. Here's the new carpet, the OEM one. It even has like the plastic part for the feet there, but I'm just letting the sun hit it so it could take a little better shape. But yeah, here's the truck right now. I took the seats off, but once I clean everything up, I'll install it and then I'll show you guys how it looks, and then I'll throw the seats on, and then I have to figure out how to cut the shifting, well, the shift boot to make it fit that carpet, because that one doesn't have a hole, so I have to figure that out. But let me get that done and then I'll finish up the carpet. Alright, so I'm almost finished installing the carpet. You guys probably already know how to do it, so I'm just doing it, and then I'll show you guys. Right now I did half of it. I put one of the seats in, and I still need to put the other seat in, but let me show you guys how it's going right now. Better lighting in here. Alright, so that's the carpet. Fits way better than the other one I had on. Right now you can see the sun's kind of hitting it, so it's kind of like not as black. But yeah, it came with the back piece too over there and the front piece. So that's this side. Let me show you the other side. So this is how this side came out. Carpet's in. I should have cut that hole better, but for now it's fine. I'll figure something out. Make a little shift boot or something. But here's how the carpet sits back here. How it overlaps the one in the back, so you won't see anything in the back, like all the wires I have. And then I just have to put the trim back here, the other piece that goes over there, and install a seat, and it should be done for today. That's all I really wanted to do today. But yeah, but let me know what you guys think. I'll show you guys the finished product once I finish, but let me know what you guys think about this video. I know I didn't really explain everything, but it's pretty self-explanatory just how to do an OEM carpet. So just take off the old one, put a new one in, take the seats out, and whatever else you have in the way. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out, the product. Like the company that sent me the carpet that I bought it off of, it fit perfectly fine, better than the one I made before, but it's an experiment, so I learned from that old carpet I didn't like. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let me finish up, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, so I finished everything. I finished the carpet, put the seat in, put everything in. I just wanted to get it over with, put a little video out for you guys, just to show you that I'm active and that I really care about what I do to my truck, and just to help you guys, ask me questions, ask anything. I'm trying to be myself. I'm trying to just not be camera shy in a way, but I got the carpet installed and everything. Came out super good. The only thing I was worrying about was just this little hole, but I'll figure something out. But other than that, everything looks pretty seamless, better than the one I did before. But yeah, thank you guys for everything. You guys have asked me, supported me, and just asked questions about everything, and I try to answer you guys as much as I can on my Instagram. Most of you guys message me on Instagram, or I just try to comment in the comment section below and reply to you guys as much as I can. But yeah, I'm gonna do another video soon. I made some little things for the speakers. You guys just have to wait and watch what those are in the next video. It shouldn't be that long, but show you guys something and just pay attention to detail to help the truck look a little better. But yeah, thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.